quite frustration between the disgruntled element. They want to create a communal tension between the people of Kashmir, the majority population as well as the minority. So they just want to create a tension that since they have been contained by the our security forces for a very long time, so they just want to create a tension. नहीं, उनको लगता है कि किसी भी तरह से एक वेज क्रिएट किया जाए कश्मीरी पंडितों को ताकि वो लोग वापस ना आएँ. दे वांट टू कीप देम एट बे. दे वांट टू create some fear within the minds of the Kashmiri Pandits. Political solution is there unless until we need to have an elected government there first and foremost. That is most important. Then only things can move ahead. Because right now you have an LG. Things don't work out with an administrator and a government. LG is more an administrator than a government to run. So you need to have a proper elected government which can address issues of how Kashmiri Pandits can come back in a free environment where there is no tension, no people can live freely. They don't fear with the gun culture is down. So we need to have an elected government which can start the initiative, start the process of return of Kashmiri Pandits in a fearless atmosphere. What Government of India has been doing, that is delimitation, they have put up a commission and I think that should be completing its term by March, maybe before March also. And once notified, elections should be held. I don't relate killings to 370. These killings are just to create a fear in the mind of minorities. So देखिए, सबसे पहले जान है तो जहान है, तो तभी बंदा जाएगा वापस once his safety and security, which is the most important. That's so, and with all respect, the Kashmiri Pandits go back. That is first and foremost. The people in Kashmir want to see a change. They want to see a change because whatever has happened for last 65, 70 years, they now want to see a change. The present new youth, when they see things, they see the other parts of the country, they really want to see that, yes, why can't we have Jammu Kashmir like that? Why can't we also deliver like that? So that connect is missing somewhere. So you need to take up issues one by one, and everything has to be done in a proper way. So you need to connect people at the right corner. Then only things will happen. You need to form committees for that. You need to have a people-to-people contact. You need to have people from the Chamber of Commerce, the lawyers fraternity, the educationists over there from the university. You need to form a group, and there should be some round-table conference on these things. That how to move forward, how do we connect people? There's a big disconnect as on date between the people of Kashmir and rest of the country. So you need to develop certain things. By simply going there and trying to do all kind of things, giving them development planks, that's not going to help. You need to start from the grassroots. You need to travel to villages, educate people on things that how you need to come together. We need to come together, then only things will change.